Good morning. My name is Jorge Elias Martinez Salcido. I am student to the SENA. Critical thinking. Answer the following question. According to your experience with the step, did you follow the complete different relation? The step I followed was the material prospect by the program and the test that I did not understand. I look for them in the English translation. Second, according to your experience, do you consider that translation is a complex activity? Explain. Of course, it's very difficult when you are learning a language. 3. What do you think is necessary to do the correct translation? Now, a lot of vocabulary and grammatical structures. 4. According to your experience, what is the most difficult aspect about translation? As I said before, the vocabulary that is now and try to interpret the writing. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.